Hello, and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell with authenticity guarantee on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow the customer service article from here. So from here, you'll find like this article about authenticity guarantee. And basically here, you can learn more about it. So to get the authenticity guarantee badge or check mark, you won't need to do anything because eBay will do it automatically for you. So as you can see, the authenticity guarantee helps buyers shop for luxury or collectible items with confidence and while protecting sellers, eligible purchases are physically inspected by experts. That means whenever you are going to sell some kind of category, you will get the check mark automatically. So as you can see, authenticity guarantee is currently available only for watches, sneakers, streetwears, handbags, and other luxury accessories, and trading cards and jewelry. That means whenever like you are buying some of these, you will check out the category for detail on eligible criteria, and then you will start getting these authenticity guarantee. So as you can see, if your item is eligible for authenticity guarantee, it will be automatically added to the program, and you won't do anything, and it will be free of charge, and basically you will be needing just to wait until you find like a blue authenticity guarantee check mark on your listing, and then buyers will see the check mark and they will make a sale, and then you have to send the item to the authenticator address provided by eBay. Once it is authenticated, it will proceed uh, it will be processed within 2 days, 2 business days, and then once it is confirmed, the items will uh, is consistent with the listing title, etc., it will go to the next step, which is the shipment to the customer. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.